What's up guys, Shane here. I hope you're all doing great today. Today's going to be a quick video, one that I'm really excited to bring you guys. As you saw from the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be discussing something brand new from STNGR USA, their new range sunglasses. Now if you guys follow my channel, you know that I am a huge fan of STNGR USA. I absolutely love their rails. I have 3 of their Hawk rails on 3 of my ARs in all different sizes, and if I could, I'd have them on all of my ARs. A great product at a very great price. Now, STNGR USA is looking to venture out and do something really cool, something new for the outdoorsman. Somebody who likes to go hunting, hiking, biking, or just go to the range like me and you. And they're doing that through a new division called EDGE, and that stands for Extremely Durable Gear for the Elements. I hope I got that right. If not, I'll annotate it correctly in the bottom. With that being said, their first product in that EDGE division are these sunglasses. Now, these are ballistic rated, but they're meant for more than just the range. Their goal with these glasses is to be more subdued, something that you guys can wear anywhere and everywhere you want, and they fit in and don't look out of place. So you can get up, put these on, go hiking, go hunting, pick up some groceries on the way home, maybe get some gas, go home, get your right range guns, get in the car and go to the range, and you don't look out of place in any of those situations. And that's something I can really appreciate. I'm the person that likes to stay a little bit more low-key when I go out, and I know not everyone's that way, and that's completely fine. I can really appreciate a pair of glasses, and I know they're just glasses, but I can appreciate a pair of glasses that I can wear in any situation and not look out of place. Now with all that being said, let's just show off these suckers. But before we get into the box, I want to say that there are 2 different frame styles here. And with those 2 different frame styles, you have 4 different lens colors to choose from. You have a black smoke, you have a blue-green, and the red tint I'm wearing here. Now, both of these frames are very, very similar. There's 1 or maybe 2 differences between the 2. So let's go ahead and get into the Alpines, I believe, and show those off. Alright, so let's show you what comes in the box. As you can see, we got some really nice packaging from STNGR themselves. When you get inside the box here, you have the sunglasses themselves, and you also get a sticker. So really nice they include that. You can put that anywhere you want. You have this nice hard case to protect the sunglasses. Once you get it open, you have the actual sunglasses inside. They include, which is really nice, a microfiber cloth, which is obviously used to keep your lenses clean of fingerprints, and also some of those strings that you put on the arms of the sunglasses, so you can put them around your neck. So really cool. You have those if you don't want to actually wear them, you can just let them hang on your neck. So kind of cool that they include that in these sunglasses when you purchase them. So over here we have the bag. This is a microfiber cloth bag, so this will also clean your lenses, as these either sit in your pocket or sit in the hard case. So pretty much you should have clean lenses no matter when you pull these things out. And inside we have the glasses themselves. Now these lenses are high definition polarized, and like I said, they are ballistic rated. And for those of you who are curious, these are stamped on the inside, so you can see the NZ certification if you are curious. I should mention that the only real difference between the Alpine and the other frames, the Ridges, is the adjustable nose pad that you see here. That's a really nice feature to have, because if you guys are like me, I'm sure you've owned a pair of sunglasses that have had just a hard plastic nose rest that absolutely kills your nose. But I should also mention the other frames that don't have this fully adjustable nose pad, it's built into the frame a little bit more, but it still has a soft rubber pad there, so it's still very comfortable to wear. Alright, so I had to clear off some space here to show this off, but what's really cool about these sunglasses, these range glasses, is that STNGR USA has put in a 110 degrees hinge system on these things. Now your standard sunglasses have a 90 degrees. You're all familiar with it. They're fully extended or they're folded in and they stop there. So if you were to step on those, they would just snap, they would break. These are made to flex an extra 20 degrees, and when you combine that with these really nice soft rubber earpieces here, you have a pair of sunglasses that can flex and you don't have to worry about them breaking. So they can flex all the way down here 110, those rubber things move and they'll take their shape and they'll be just fine. Now you guys may think that's cool, and it is, but check this out. These frames are made of a unique memory nylon material. So once these things are bent in, you have that 110 degrees, you have the flexible rubber padding, and that material the frame's made out of, these can actually bend flat and they will be just fine. If you stomped on these, they just go bloop and they come back. You can press them down on the table and press them down and press pretty much as hard as I can. They'll come back. they'll take their shape and you can keep wearing them. And that's something that is really nice to have on a pair of range glasses that you're going to be beating the crap out of. So you guys might be thinking, oh wow, that thing can withstand a little bit of a bend test. It is so much more than that. And I would be doing that with the actual lenses I have here, the frames I have here, but I want to be able to send them to you guys in pristine condition, whoever wins these. I don't want to, risk scratching or anything. So, as you guys can see here from Stinger's YouTube channel, these things can withstand a buttload of abuse. They run this thing over with a car multiple times, and as you can see, they bend flat, they pop straight, and they are working properly. Now, I'm willing to bet that the lenses themselves are probably scratched because it is cement and a car tire, but the functionality and that you can actually still wear them is a great thing. They talk about a lot how these are made for the outdoorsman, the hiker. So if you were to fall, a tree branch hits you, something like that, yeah, you might scratch your lenses, but you can still wear them and still be fully protected. Now moving on, this one isn't as extreme, but as you can see, they stomp the crap out of these glasses multiple times, and as you would expect, if it can handle being run over by a truck, a car, it can definitely handle you stomping on them. And that's something I really, really do like. I think I've broken 2 pairs of sunglasses because they've been in my pocket or a jacket or something, and it's been on the floor and I stepped on it, heard a crunch, my heart sunk, looked down, saw some expensive pair of sunglasses, shattered. So this is a pair of glasses that you can really buy once, and wear them everywhere and know that no matter what happens, you're not going to break these things. They can pretty much last you forever. So I've had these for a little while, maybe a couple of weeks now, and I've worn them quite a bit. And I just want to talk about my personal experience with them. Now, these things are super lightweight to the point where you actually forget you're wearing them, and I mean that in a good way. I saw them mention it on their YouTube channel, and I thought it was funny, but it's happened to me too, where I've actually been looking for my sunglasses and realized that they're on my face. So they're lightweight in a good way. And I can't remember the exact ounces. I'll roll in a B-roll or just the ounce weight over here on the side so you guys can see how much they do weigh. But it's very lightweight. The one thing I really do like too is that they fully cover my eye socket. And obviously, if you're going for range glasses, you want something that's going to fully protect you. So if you do have a malfunction and you do have a gun blow up, that nothing's going to get into these. So your eyes are the most important thing to have, maybe other than these guys and something between your legs. But you want to make sure you protect your vision, and with these ballistic rated glasses, you can definitely do that. I really do like the comfortable rubber that they do put on these. You saw the flex earlier, and these are the parts that they made rubber that are normally do rub my ears and nose raw, because one size does not fit all when it comes to the shape of everyone's different faces and where their ears and noses are. So being able to have this flex in the arms here is a really nice feature that does make these glasses really comfortable in wearing. And also, the rubber that they put between the nose that's adjustable. If I had to pick, I would get these ones. These are, they're both great, but these ones are just really comfortable. The actual point of contact on your nose, I feel like it's smaller on these ones, so it does fit my face a little better. And again, these are adjustable, so you can make them fit your face, but the comfort on these things is through the roof when you combine the rubber and how lightweight they are. So like I said, I've had them for a while, but unfortunately I can't speak to how they perform at the range, because right now, as I'm looking out the window, it's snowing. It's been, I think, the high like 10 or 15 degrees and a low of negative 5 or 10 degrees. So it's been pretty cold. I don't have any indoor ranges, and I'm not the type of guy that's going to go out there and freeze my ass off to go shooting in the snow. So when it starts getting a little bit warmer, in the 30s or 40s, I'm okay with it, and we'll get there soon. But I've seen videos, I'll roll it in maybe from Stinger's website. You can see that they do drop tests of some, look like pretty heavy things on these things. Again, we talked about them being ballistic rated, so I have no doubt that they'll perform fine at the range if something does happen. I really enjoyed the lenses themselves. As we discussed, there's 4 different colors, and I don't notice any sort of tinting in color in my vision when I'm wearing them. So if I'm wearing, what am I wearing now? The reds, the blues, the blue-greens, and the smoke, they're all just smoky to me, which is really nice. I don't want to go out there and have a red tint to the world or a blue tint. For me, I like them to be just darker, and that's what these do for me, which is a really nice feature to have. All in all, guys, I've really enjoyed these things to the point where I really don't want to give any away. I want to keep one of every color, but I don't think that was the deal. I should mention that Stinger obviously did send these to me to test out and share with you guys. I didn't buy 8 pairs of sunglasses. I thoroughly enjoy these. They have become my daily drivers. I wear these every day, and it's nice to know that if I get a phone call from a friend and I gotta go to the range, I got my range glasses with me and I don't have to go home and get something else. But yeah, that about wraps it up, guys. If you're interested, definitely go check out their website. I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you feel like it, guys, feel free to use the link down below. It is an affiliate link. STNGR USA was awesome enough to offer that to me, so I do get a small percentage of any sales that are made through that link, which is going to help support my channel and hopefully keep this ball rolling. So check them out. See if you want to pick up a pair yourself. Again, my favorites are these. Yep, I'm wearing them now. Are the reds. I would get these in both frames if I had the money to. All right, guys. So let's talk about how you can win these things. How we're actually going to give these suckers away. So like I said before, I think I'm going to give away 4 pair. It's kind of hard to give away that many. I do want to keep them all, but we're going to give away 4. And we're going to do it all over on Instagram. And we're going to do the standard thing that everyone does, where you follow me, you follow STNGR USA, and we're going to have you probably tag 2 friends in the post, and then we'll pick a winner online. So hopefully that picture will be posted with the giveaway instructions here soon. So head over to Instagram, make sure you give me a follow so you don't miss out on the chance to win these. Like I said, guys, I really enjoyed these. If I had extra money right now and I could, I would buy a color of every pair. I really enjoy them. Again, check out their website and let them know Musty Yeti sent you if you pick something up. But yeah, if you guys found this video informative, if you like it, feel free to hit the like button. If you guys haven't, feel free to subscribe as well. If you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And that's it, guys. It was nice having you here. Enjoy yourself. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.